You know that message that pops up the moment you open any app and it says, "Allow this app to access your current location." Most people just tap allow without thinking. But have you ever stopped to wonder what that allow actually means? That single word could be the reason any app can track your real location in real time, even if you're using a VPN or your Wi-Fi is turned off. This isn't as simple as people think. It's a serious risk to your privacy and personal security. And in this video, I'll tell you the full truth and how to protect yourself with a few easy steps. What does location permission mean? Location permission means you're allowing the app to know your geographic position. Some apps genuinely need this permission to work properly, but others exploit it to track you or sell your data to advertising companies. So while you think you're just opening a normal app, in reality, it could be following you in the background, step by step. To control all of this, go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Location Services. You'll see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your location. Each app will have one of these options next to it. Never, while using the app, always, or ask next time. The golden rule is simple. Any app that doesn't need your location to function, turn its access off immediately. First, apps that really need your location to work. Maps, to give you directions. Uber or delivery apps, so the driver can find you. Weather, to show the weather for your current area. Find My, so you can locate your phone if it's lost. But always choose while using the app, never always. Second, apps that have nothing to do with your location, but still ask for it. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Twitter. They use your location to target ads based on where you go. WhatsApp and Telegram. They only need your location when you manually share your live location. Amazon, Noon, Jumia. You can enter your address manually. Mobile games. Most of them collect location data for ads, not for gameplay. Turn off location access for all these apps immediately. Third, apps where the choice is yours. Camera and photos. They save the location of where each picture was taken. If you don't want that info stored, turn it off. Banking or payment apps. Sometimes they use location as an extra security step. If you use them often outside your home, set them to while using the app. Now that you've adjusted these settings, you've taken a huge step toward protecting yourself. Your privacy isn't a game, and not every app needs to know where you are. Every allow you tap could be an open door for someone to track you. Protect yourself and share this video with anyone who uses an iPhone so no one stays exposed while thinking they're safe. See you in the next video.